All right, you guys, here we go. We are working with, this is probably one of my more favorite units of the whole year. I love this type of stuff. Perimeter and area, finding the area stuff, okay? We talked about it a little bit on our Zoom meeting Wednesday, if you were there. So perimeter is finding the area, finding the distance around something. So it's the distance around a shape. Okay, so this is your yard. Let's find the distance around the whole yard. Not the yard, maybe a little patio. What does it say? This is the perimeter of the garden. So we've got 7 feet down this way and 5 feet. If you're with me in the Zoom meeting, we talked about this is a rectangle. So this side is 7 feet. What is this side? Well, if it's a rectangle, we know it's exactly the same, so it's 7 feet. This side down here, the bottom is 5 feet, so what is the top? The top is 5 feet. We know that because it's a rectangle, all right? We know what those sides are because it's a rectangle. So to find the perimeter, all you do is length plus width, length plus width, length plus width, length plus width. You just add up all the sides. That's it. So right here, 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5 is what? Well, you got 14 and you got 10, so you got a 24. The perimeter is 24. Sorry, you need to be working with me. Page 717. 717 is what page we're on. Okay, so Julio needs how many feet of stone border? He, she, he. Is he? Yep, 24. Okay. You could also do it another way. You could use multiplication. So instead of adding up all 4 sides, what you do is you add up 2 sides, and then you add up the 2 sides again, and then multiply it by 2. So right here, if you look, we got 12 times 2, because you got 2 of them, which is 24. And then you do 8 times 2, which is 16, and then you can add those 2 together. So you get 40 on that one. Okay, so this is 40 centimeters. Now on this one, square is cool because you can just take your side times 4, because all 4 sides are the same. So 4 times 16, so when I've got to do a little more work than just my mental math. 24, so you got 64. This one is 64 inches around the outside. That's it. That's perimeter. You just add up or you multiply like this to find your perimeter. Okay, so let's move on to the next page, 718. So use a formula. A formula is something you use to solve a problem. So our formula is 2 times length and then plus 2 times the width. Unless you just want to add up length plus width plus width. So here's your length. You got 2 of them. You got the bottom and the top. You got 2 widths. You got the right and the left side. So that's where the W and the L come. Okay. So if we find this perimeter of this square, our 2 times L, 2 times length, our length is 18. And then we got 2 times our width, which is 14. Okay, so now we got to do 2 times 18. So we got 18 times 2. We got 6. We got 36. So on that, 36. And then 2 times 14 is 28. And then you just add those 2 up together. 28 plus 36, it doesn't matter the order. And you get 1464. So a total of 64 what? 64 marbles? No, we got 64 meters. That's the perimeter. This side, this side, this side, this side. Or you could have just added them all up. Okay? Next, try this. Write a formula for the perimeter of a square. Use the letter, let's go S for side. Okay? Use the letter Q for for the next side. Okay. Oh, sorry. I was thinking something wrong. S is not the perimeter. The perimeter, remember in the little video I told, we're going to use P for perimeter. I'm sorry. I was thinking that was a side for some reason. P for perimeter, and we're going to use S for side. I should read and pay attention to what I'm thinking. So the formula is, you could go S plus S plus S plus S equals perimeter. There is an easier one. Do you remember what the easier one is? The easier one is 4 times S equals P. Okay? Now tell me why you can go 4 times S equal P. Tell me why that works. Fill that out right there, okay? Whoops, I didn't want to take a picture of that. Next page. So find the perimeter of this one. Well, here's our length and here's our width. So 2 times 8 and then 2 times 4. Unless you want to go 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4. But which one's faster? Yeah. So we're just going to skip that one because we're writing the same thing down. This one probably said 2 times length, and then this one said 2 times width. I'll do it just really quick. So 2 times 8, 2 times 4, 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 4 is 8. We add them together and you get 24 horses. Oh wait, no, 24 feet. So the perimeter is 24 feet, okay? That's it, that's all we're doing. So here's your formulas for perimeter on rectangle, formula for square. All right, let's do a couple more and then it's you. So perimeter for this one, 16 times 2 gives us 32. And then 4 times 2 equals 8. So we take 32 plus 8 and we get 40 yards. The perimeter, 16 and 16 plus 4 plus 4. Okay. Number 3. Uh-oh, it doesn't tell us. Well, like the other one. The top is 110 and the side meters. And the side is 42 meters. It'd be really good to write stuff out so you know what you're doing. So we're going to go 110 times 2 gives us 220. And then we're going to go 42 times 2, which gives us 84. So we're going to go 220 plus 84. Remember, our formula is 2 times length plus 2 times our width. And that's what we're doing now. We're adding those together. So you get 4, 10. So it is, sorry, 304 meters. Okay. And then over here, our square. Do you remember the formula for square? It's 4 times, because you got 4 sides. And then what is the length of the side? Well, in this one, the length is also 4. So we're going to go 4 times 4, which is what? So it's 16 meters. Okay? So you should finish out the rest of this page. Finish out the rest of this page. This next page, 219, 220. Sorry, 220. It'd be really good to do 220. Okay? And then this is what you need to do. 220, sorry, 721 and 722. Those 2 pages, so like 2.5 pages you need to do now. And 719 would be a good one to do if you want to work on that one too. Okay. If you need to watch this video again, go back, rewatch it, pause it, work, play, pause it, work, play, pause it, work, play. All right? Oops, did it stop sharing? I think it's still recording, but I gotta hit stop. All righty.